Hello, this is Changamoto Youth Development Organization. Now you can see what we are doing. This is from the forest to the nursery, from the nursery to the forest. That now you can see guys are making tree saplings to the polythene tubes, filling sand or manure to this soil to plant tree saplings and raise in our nursery. Then we are moving these trees to the forest to be planted. So have a look at all the activities that we are doing, and please support restoration of Magamba Nature Forest Reserve by planting more than 10,000 indigenous trees, also known as native trees. This project will be made by Changamoto Youth Development Organization. Thank you and keep supporting us. Okay, now this is a planting action, and down you can see how this forest was burnt. This is drone footage, and comparing to the nursery. And then this is how it looked like. So we need help to restore this place, and we started this activity since the last year, and then we're moving. We have been planting at Kusu, and now we are moving to Magamba. This is how it is look like, and this is our planting.